Hello and welcome back to AutoCAD Electrical Pro. Today I'll show you how to create, edit and manage wire types so your schematics stay clean, consistent and professional. Wire types are predefined layers with color, line type and layer name. These are important for wire numbering, reporting, cross-referencing and panel wiring documentation. You can find the wire types in the schematic tab under the section Edit Wires, Wire Numbers, and this button is Create Edit Wire Types. So in here you can see that there is actually quite a large number of predefined wire types, and these are drawing specific. In here you can see how these relate to existing layer names, meaning that each wire type it's going to relate to its own layer. By default it will have wire numbering selected as yes. You could potentially put that down as no for certain exceptions, but as default, yes is going to be recommended as you will want to number all of the wires. On the left column, you can see the used field. The used column is very useful because you could actually see which of the wire types have been used in this particular drawing. You can add wire colors, sizes, and there are some user fields that you can use if you want to. The option will allow you to import drawing types from a different drawing. The layer name format is by default color and then size. You can actually change the color from here. You can change the line type and you can change the line weight. It could be the case that there is an existing layer that is part of AutoCAD already, but it's not yet part of wire type, and you can add it here. And you can change the default wire that will be used whenever you click the wire button. If you identify a wire that is of a different type that you think it should be, you can simply right click on it and then change the wire type. I was talking a little bit about layers, and if you go to Home and click on Layer Properties, here you can see all the existing layers that exist in AutoCAD, and these have many functions. They could be part of blocks, part of wire markers. There are many applications that these layers have, and it is important that you do not get confused about these. This is why a good description of a layer will be the best indication of what the function for it is, and your customized labels are going to be very important. It is important to note that if you are creating new layers, let's just say I want to create a new wire label. If there is one that exists that is very similar to what you want, it is good to go there and just to use that as the base. So if you select it and then click New Layer, you change the description, and there you go. You have a new layer, and because the one that you copied or the one that you selected to be the reference for creating the new wire type, you will see that if you go back to your schematic and wire types, it is actually already going to be there and ready to use. So please remember that it is very important that you select the right wire types and to use wire types when you're using wires. This is going to be helpful for reporting whenever you are reaching the completion of a project and you need to issue reports to support your designs. As you can see, using wire types and managing wire types is very easy. I hope you get into the habit of using wires, and hopefully this video was of use to you. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.